Welcome back to our channel. Guys, today I am going to take an interesting topic for you. It is called self-discipline and physical fitness. This topic I have taken from the book No Excuses by Brian Tracy. In this book there are so many topics related to self-discipline, and I am going to take this one first. Basically, this topic tells us that how important is self-discipline to achieve and maintain our physical fitness. For you to achieve and maintain high levels of physical fitness requires a lifetime of self-discipline and willpower. The good news is that physical fitness is its own reward. Not only you feel good while you are exercising, but you feel wonderful about yourself the rest of your life. Physical fitness specialists generally agreed that you need to exercise 200 to 300 minutes per week to enjoy the maximum levels of physical well-being. This means that you need to exercise between 30 to 60 minutes or 5 to 7 times each week. The best time to exercise is first thing in the morning. People who get up early in the morning and exercise for 30 and 60 minutes are much more likely to make exercise a permanent part of their daily routine. On the other hand, people who put off exercising until later in the day, until after work, almost invariably find that they are too tired or have too many other things to do. They procrastinate on exercising until another day, which often never comes. It takes tremendous discipline to get into the follow at regular exercise routine, but it is easier if you can discipline yourself. Get up in the morning and start exercising immediately. Many people, including myself, trick themselves into exercising in the morning by putting the exercise clothes right next to the bed so that they trip over them when they get up. People who engage in aerobic exercise first thing in the morning have been shown to be brighter, more active, creative, and more intelligent throughout the day. One of the best things you can do to achieve and maintain high levels of physical fitness is to join a gym or a health club and attend regular classes. You can even pay a little more and get yourself a personal trainer who puts you through an exercise regimen 3 or more times each week. Organized sports are a wonderful way to achieve and maintain high levels of physical fitness. They are far more demanding in terms of time and schedule, but the payoff is often extraordinary. If you are a member of a sports league, whether the game baseball, tennis, football, soccer, or anything else, and you have a coach or trainer that you work on a regular basis, you tend to be more focused and disciplined. You will exercise more often and more. You will be fitter and trimmer than most people are. Fortunately, it is never too late. At any time you can decide that you are going to enjoy high levels of physical fitness. You can make a decision right now to start a physical fitness routine, and then set it as a personal test or challenge to see if you have the willpower and discipline to follow through on your resolution. You will live a long, happy life, being bright, alert, and full of energy. Is that you begin a regular physical training program and continue it for the rest of your life. When you exert self-discipline and willpower to achieve a high level of fitness and then maintain it, year after year you will feel terrific about yourself. So what are your plans for physical fitness? And if you have already, please share with us in comment section. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.